aloha everyone. Chef Reggie here with Aloha Shoyu. And today our recipe that we're gonna make today is with ahi. We got some nice akami ahi blocks here. And then with this recipe we're gonna crust it with sesame seed. We have sesame seed on top. And then with this we will be boiling some kabocha, which we will boil till tender, and then we'll puree it with some water in it and salt, pepper. And then with that we'll saute some spinach and with some julienne carrots and shredded red cabbage. And then we'll just garnish with Kaiware sprouts. And then for the sauce we'll be using Aloha Shoyu's teriyaki spicy gluten-free sauce. And then with this we'll just reduce it a little, and then to that we'll add wasabi and then end it off with butter. So it's like a teriyaki sauce, wasabi butter sauce. Yeah. Okay, let's get to it. So here we are. We're gonna sear the ahi first. We have already have a hot pan going. So to this we're just gonna add a little bit of oil, olive oil. So make sure that you have a nice hot pan. Just a little. And then we're just gonna sear both sides of the ahi. So we're going to sear this with the sesame side down. Get that nice and brown. Alright, so our fish is getting nice and seared on one side. So we're about to flip it. And then we'll start on our veg while it's searing. So we'll just flip it real fast. Has a nice brown golden color. Okay, while that's working, we'll work on our vegetables. So on another hot pan, we'll just add a little bit of olive oil. And then we'll saute our spinach, our julienne carrots, and a red cabbage. So we want to start with the spinach. Get it nice and wilted. Season with salt and pepper. Alright, add our julienne carrot. Here we're all about color. You know, we eat with our eyes first. So making sure that everything is nice and vibrant. So we got that. And it's a real quick process, so once you get wilted, heat runs through all the veggies, and then you're practically done. Nice color. Alright, let's turn off the heat. And let's set this aside. We'll check on our fish. You want it nice and seared on both sides. And that should be good. Alright, this is the sauce we're making. So straight out the bottle, the gluten-free teriyaki spicy sauce. So we reduced it down so it got thick, and it coats the back of a spoon. So it's real nice and reduced. So to this we're gonna add wasabi. So this is basically just regular wasabi paste. Not too much. Maybe like a half teaspoon. We're just gonna dilute it into the sauce. And then once it's incorporated into the sauce, we'll just add and end it with butter. So this is room temperature butter. Probably put maybe a tablespoon and just melt it into the sauce. Alright, so this is our kabocha. We boiled it until tender. And to this we added some of the liquid from the boiling process. And then now we're just gonna add salt and pepper and puree it. Alright, we're just gonna add salt and pepper. Alright, that looks good. Let's continue on with the dish. So let's start slicing our fish. Just gonna slice it straight down but at an angle. So let's just do 5 pieces. Alright, so now let's plate the dish. Nice black plate here. We'll take the kabocha puree. We'll just ladle it or put a dollop right in the center. Then we can smear it. Let's do like a circle shape. Alright, and into this, let's put our veggies. Our spinach, our julienne carrot, and red cabbage. Well, let's just put it like right here. It's like a bed for the fish. Now let's put the ahi on top. Like so. And then let's just put the sauce. It's Aloha Shoyu's gluten-free teriyaki sauce with wasabi, and finish off with the butter. And let's just spoon some sauce on the fish. And then, last but not least, let's garnish with some Kaiware sprouts. There you have it. Sesame-crusted ahi with kabocha puree with sauteed spinach, red cabbage, and carrots with gluten-free teriyaki sauce with wasabi and butter.